Hi everyone! This week we're creating these paper teacup gift holders for Mother's Day. To create the teacup, we'll be using these patterns. You can get these at the link in the description. You can print them directly onto the paper that you're going to use for the cup, or you can print them onto printer paper like I did, and I'll just be cutting these out and then tracing around them onto the paper that I'm using. So I went ahead and cut those out, and then we'll be starting with this kind of flower-shaped piece right here. We'll be scoring a lot of fold lines on this project, so for that I'll be using this Cricut scoring stylus and a ruler. This is the paper that I'll be using for the cup, and I'm just going to flip that over so the good side is facing down. Then I'm going to take that flower-shaped pattern and just trace around the entire thing. Then once I've done that, I'm going to go through with a scoring stylus and score each of those fold lines. If you printed directly onto the paper you're using, go ahead and score those tabs now. Once you cut it out, it should look like this. Then I trace this handle pattern onto that same paper and cut it out so I have a piece like this. Then I trace the saucer pattern onto this blue paper and cut that out to form the saucer. Finally, I traced the tag piece onto some pink cardstock. Then I took a pencil and I wrote out the words "to the most tea-rific mom ever." But feel free to write whatever you'd like. There's a lot of tea-related puns you can do. And then I just went over that with a marker. And now we can assemble the cup. So just go around and fold each of those tabs inwards. And then fold each of the sides inwards on that octagon shape in the center. So once you've done all of that, it should look like this. Then I'm going to put some hot glue down one of those side tabs, press it in place on the side next to it, lining up the edge. Then we're going to repeat that again, just putting glue down the tab, pressing it in place. And you'll want to repeat this process going all the way around the cup. And I like to use hot glue for this, but other adhesives should work as well. Then finally repeat this with the very last tab, and the cup is assembled. And it looks like this. Now we're going to add the handle, so there's a lot of different ways you could do this, but I just picked the side I wanted it to be on, and I'm going to put some glue here at the bottom on the wrong side of the paper. Then I'm just going to press it on the cup down here on the lower part. Then I'll take that top part and just curve it like this. If you want, you can take the handle and bend it backwards where you glued it. And then just bend that top part forwards like this. Then put glue on the end. And I tried folding it at the end, but it worked best if I didn't. So just put some glue on the end there, and I decided to add a little more glue there. So the finished cup looks like this. So now you can just set that on the saucer. And the last step is to attach the tag. So I just took this ribbon that's 1/8 of an inch wide, and I put a little dot of glue on the back at the top of the tag, and just glue the end of that ribbon in place. Then I decided where I wanted it and how I wanted to position it on the cup. And I'll be gluing this ribbon down here on the bottom of the cup. So I went ahead and cut the ribbon shorter, and then put some glue on the end, and just press that in place down at the bottom. So it looked like this. Then finally, you can take some paper shred and fill the cup if you'd like. And then in keeping with the tea theme, I filled it with some packages of tea, but this would also be great for candy or other small gifts. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this paper teacup tutorial. If you'd like to see more Mother's Day crafts from my channel, I will put the playlist on screen, so you can click that. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.